Mayberry leads off first and Brown off third. And Freddy pulls it right under the glove of Todd Helton down the right field line. This may tie the game. Brown will score. Here comes Mayberry. He's around third. He's going to score. Galvis on his way to third. And the Phillies have tied this baby up at 7 apiece. Boy, look at the dugout, too. They're feeling it. The fans are feeling it, too. And we'll see how they score that one. Freddy Galvis put it in play, and the Phillies have evened it up at 7 apiece.
Well, there was a day when there's no way Todd Helton misses a ball like that. It was scorched, but he used to always make those plays. You would think they're going to give him a triple all the way on this. But see right there, he goes for it, and he just misses it. I don't think he ever touched it. Well, he couldn't have touched it for it to go that fast into the corner. And they were playing him over, as Tom said, towards the middle or the gaps. So once it got into the